Pawan Bansal has broken his silence on his alleged role in the railway job scam that saw his ouster as a railway minister. The CBI has not charged Bansal in its charge sheet. The CBI judge said that he could be summoned during the trial. Bansal strongly defended himself in an interview to NDTV's Sunil Prabhu.
The CBI has made you a prosecution witness from a suspect and taken you. Do you feel vindicated to a great extent?
See, let me first say, if anybody goes through the records and is familiar with all that has happened, nobody should ever call me a suspect. And the second thing is, what the CBI does is, it's not my option. If they have cited me as a witness, I have no option in that matter. When the time comes for trial, well, I believe in the process of law. I, as a citizen, a law-abiding citizen, I have to accept that. I mean, if they call me, I'll have to go.
No, but when you say you're about being a suspect, the fact is in the public perception. As I said, you've gone through a media trial to a great extent, but in the public perception, you are seen as a person who allowed something to happen.
Unfortunately, in today's polity, in this our life as such, people tend to believe, or are rather ready to believe two things about any politician when you say one, corruption, the other character. That is unfortunate. That is what has happened. Now, please just go into the background of what is here in this case. The facts are very, very simple. What did the officer want to be? The post that was going to fall vacant was of the member staff. He, being from the signals, which is a directorate of the electrical, wanted to be member electrical. Member electrical's post was to fall vacant after a year and 3 months. So there was no way of his becoming member electrical. What he wanted was, this is all from the transcripts that I have gone through, which are in the public domain now, not with me otherwise. And what he says is, the post of chairman is falling vacant after 2 months. Keep the process on hold for 2 months. Make the member electrical chairman, elevate him to that post when the chairman retires. Create a vacancy of the post of member electrical and post him there. That's purely conjectural. Who would know as to who would be the chairman? No, the vacancy that we had to fill in, just for a moment, the vacancy that has to be filled in was of the member staff, and that has been done. He says, and that is correct, if that were to go now, as he said, he is number one. He was the senior most eligible person, member staff or member electrical, but member electrical's post was not vacant. He was appointed member staff, much against his wishes, much against his trying to avoid that. So what can be attributed as a wrongdoing on my part?
No, the fact was that he also wanted the general manager Western Railway additional charge.
I'm happy you've mentioned that also, yes.
And you were planning to give that?
No. The yes part is he wanted it. No, there was never a plan to that. In the past, there have been 6 specific cases which he was referring to, that while a person was appointed as a member of the board, he was given the looking after charges of the post of general managers by a specific order for 3 months. That was not done in this case.